What's going on, guys? Nick here with you with another episode of Pursuit of Everything. It is Thursday morning and I'm going to link up with J-Mac right now. The plan is we're going to put his new FPV up in the air, do some test shots with that. I have my FPV as well, and we're gonna be hitting like a sick little trail pretty close to both of our houses, so it's like 5 to 10 minutes from each of us. And I got the one wheel and whatnot, so it's going to be off the beaten track a bit, but we are going to test these FPVs out. And J-Mac has an awesome FPV channel. We'll drop a little link somewhere on the screen here so you guys can take a look at that. Just ins and outs of the his process of learning the FPV and all that, because we do a ton of drone stuff and the FPV is kind of like a different monster altogether. So I have the beginner newbie DJI FPV, and he has like the legit lithium ion battery soldered together FPV that you mount a GoPro on and everything. So I'm sure you'll learn more about that on his page, but for now we're going to be heading to the park, linking up and getting it rolling. So over there is where we're headed. Can't really see where we're going, but it's back that way. Got J Malcolm in the distance. Amigo, you ready to slide? Yeah, boy. Okay, yeah, I got more.
Some super juice?
Yeah, I got more juice on this one.
I'm gonna video your controls. So sick.
I want to shoot those trees over there. Dude, the boy is sending.
I thought you were gonna go through those trees for a sec.
Holy shit! I thought I was gonna take your head off, Jay.
I thought you were gonna hit 2 trees. Wow. Close with it. I love it.
This is sport mode, by the way. I'm not flying in manual.
So it's a little bit more control.
Yeah, yeah, I'm definitely don't think I'm sitting in here flying manual like this. It doesn't fly nearly as fast as manual does if I was holding it open like this.
So that's as fast as it'll go?
I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty pinned down.
Yeah. Wow, dude. Getting through the bushes. Can you angle your lens?
Yes.
Like while you're flying, that's pretty cool.
But I don't know how to exactly. There we go. There it is. It's in the back.
The little slider thing. Yeah, I think I am gonna rip the second FPV that they released, dude. For sure.
Yeah, I'm sure by then they'll have it worked out. Oh, sick bird shot.
Really?
Oh, so sick. Woo! Last send.
Sending, dude.
And then return to home is just
No way it knows? No way. Dude, no way. You're good right there.
I don't know if I was doing that or if it was doing that, but
It looked like it was.
all right, so we came, we flew, we conquered. We got the DJI and the real FPV up in the air. Some heavy sends. Yeah, successful mission. Got the birds up in the air. I have to say I wasn't flying in manual mode, which anybody who's flying FPVs, you guys know what I mean. I think a game of FPV at some point would be sick. Trying to change it up a bit for you guys, give you a little bit more storyline, a little bit more behind the scenes of what we do and how all of this comes about. And we'll catch you on the next one.